Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show us how to solve the problem of your mic has been muted by your system settings. So I tried joining a Google Meet and then I discovered I could not speak because I kept getting this notification that my mic has been muted by my system setting. So I quickly did a Google search and then I discovered that if you're having this issue, all you need to do is to go to your system settings. So I'll just go to settings and I'm going to click on sound. All right. So when you click on sound, just scroll down where you will see advanced sound options. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're going to see at the left hand side of your screen, you will see a set button. Okay, so just go ahead and then click on it, and that is it. Once you reset your sound system, wherever you were having that issue, if you go back there, the problem must have been solved. So if you have this issue, let us know if this worked for you in the comment section. If you like this video guys, please go ahead and like it and subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when we post new content like this in the future. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.